Python MCQ quiz, answer and explanation. Which keyword is used to define a function in Python? We know def. Example, def my function. What is the output of 2 to the power 3 in Python? That means 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. So answer will be 8. How do you create a comment in Python? Hash. Which method used to add an element to a list? Use append method. Which data type is mutable in Python? List is mutable and tuple is immutable. These are not. This is a string and integer. What is the output of hello 1 colon 4? That means 0 0 1 2 3 4. So not 4. So 1 2 4 means 1 2 and 3. That means ELL. Which operator is used for integer division in Python? Double slash. What does the strip method do? Remove white space from both ends. What do you handle exception in Python? Try catch method. Which method is called when an object is created from a class? Init method. What will be the output of following code? X is equal to 1 2 3, y equal to x, y append 4 1 2 3 4. So print x means print 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3 and 4. Answer is B. What does the following list comprehension do? X to the power 2 for x in range 5 if x modulus 2 equal 0. Create a list of square of even number from 0 to 4. That means range 5 0 to 4. What is the purpose of static method decorator? The decorator to define a method that belongs to the class rather than instance. C is correct answer. What will be the output of the following code? Function generator function yield 1 2 3 generator function. Print next generator means 1 2 next function. What is the purpose of slots attribute in the class? To restrict attribute creation and save memory. What does the following code do? From function tool import partial def multiplying xy, return x into y, double partially multiply 2 double 5. So answer will be 10. 5 into 2. What is the output of the following code? A 1 2 3, B plus 4. So print A means 1 2 3. What is the purpose of property decorator? To define a method as a greater for a class property. What will be the output of following code? Function decorator function. Refer print before function. Print after function. Return refer. Decorator say hello, print hello, say hello, call. So answer will be the before function, hello, and then after function. What is the purpose of async IO library in Python? To synchronize input output operator.